Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to be cleaning out my closet. It has been long overdue since I have cleaned it out, and I just kind of want to clear out all of my winter stuff, pack it away for the season, and kind of just get rid of those pieces and refresh it for the spring and summer seasons, and also declutter and get rid of the clothes that I no longer wear. Anyway, so this is my closet behind me. It is pretty big, but I do share it with my boyfriend, so I kind of have to compromise on the size. So I'm just going to start off by taking all of my clothes out and putting them on my bed. Also, all of the clothes that I'm going to be getting rid of, I will be donating them. There is a women's shelter that I donate to all the time when I declutter my clothes, so I will be putting that in the donation box after I'm done this video. And yeah, pretty much I just want to clear my headspace, and by doing that, I want my closet to be clean. I'm just gonna show you a before. This is my section right here. Now that you guys have seen the before of my closet, I'm going to get rid of a lot, and then I'll show you guys the after. So first I'm starting off by taking out all of my clothes from my closet. This will allow me to kind of see every single piece that I have and making sure that I don't miss any when I go through all of the pieces. Okay, so this is my section all cleaned out. I'm gonna leave these for now. It's just bathing suits and like extra blankets and stuff. I'll do that another day, but basically this is my section, and then also down here, which I got rid of my stuff that was here. So everything is on my bed. It is a true disaster. Like, if you guys could see the pile, like, it's crazy. So I'm going to start tackling this. I pretty much know what stuff I don't wear anymore, so I'm just gonna get rid of those, put them in the pile like on the floor or something, and then I can start putting everything back in once I know I will wear it. So I'm just gonna get right into it and start decluttering. So first I start off by grabbing the pieces that I know I absolutely want to keep, and that makes it easier and quicker that way, and the pieces that I'm not sure of, I put aside to reassess later on, and that kind of keeps the flow moving quickly, and it doesn't slow me down by trying on pieces in the middle of the declutter. I'm also putting aside pieces that I will be packing away underneath my bed for a different season, and also putting aside this jacket that I need to be bringing downstairs rather than keeping it in my closet. So now my bed is completely clean. The only thing left are these few winter dresses that I'm going to be packing underneath my bed, and then those are all the hangers that are left over from the clothes that I got rid of. And this is the pile of clothes that I'm completely getting rid of. I'm going to donate all of them. And then this small pile right here and that shirt on the floor, I'm going to be trying on and just kind of making a decision because I haven't worn them in a while, so I'm just wondering if I should get rid of them or not. So as you can see, everything's just spaced out a lot nicer. I have all of my whites starting on the left, then going light colors to black. And then I start with like longer sleeves and sweaters here. On the other side, I have the rest of my sweaters, and then I start with blazers and things that I wear to work. So my jean jacket, blazers, and then I have a few dresses here, which I will be adding to because I have all my summer dresses coming back out for this season. And then I also have this longer blazer. And then on the bottom, I've put all of my pants from light to dark, and then all of my skirts from light to dark. So now it looks a lot more put together. Nothing is on the floor. So this is the final look of my closet and what it looks like now. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. Now this is the pile of stuff that I'm going to be getting rid of and donating. I'm really happy because that's a huge chunk of my wardrobe. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this type of video on my channel. If you guys like it, then give it a thumbs up so that I know to do more videos like this. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!